Y'all, how you feeling today?
I know you hit the bed too. You got home. You got back to hotel. I know you hit the bed. I slept so good. I got right in the bed. I know you did. I got up late this morning too. You did. Yeah, I got on up.
Let me put my food in. Is he finished?
Hey, this is my first time being on this video right now, but make sure you like and subscribe to the channel, and make sure you hit that bell.
Nova, say hey. Say hey. Nevaeh. Hey, girl. You so pretty. Girl, can you eat with a spoon? No? Okay. What you want?
Nevaeh, Memphis, Shummy, Uncle Robert, Junior, Zay, RJ. RJ, come on, RJ. RJ. You got anything to say to the camera? Okay, what did I do? Hey, KK. Takel. Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Zaria, to the Z, to the H, to the A, to the R, to the I, to the A. Zaria Amari Gaines. It's me. Hi.
And I still live with my parents, yeah.
KK. KK, are you full? Are you full? Lily, are you full? Yeah. How many pizzas have you had? How many pieces have you had? Banana, do you have anything to say to the camera? Huh?
Check on your people.
Hey guys, y'all look at Khalees working. Guys, I'm going upstairs. This is a big old picture on the wall. Second floor. Show y'all the first floor. Second floor. This is the big room. It's big, and it got a refrigerator, sink, table, 2 couches. This is the second room. I can show y'all the boys' room too. Y'all look. This is the boys' room. Covers. And that's it. Tata's room, girls' room, stuff, bunk, covers, closet, let's see, Kita room, Ebony room, and somebody else's. What about the house? Do you like the house?
It's very nice too.
Okay. This is the first floor. Okay, when the music turn off. Okay. No, I said when they turn off the music.
Nazir, scoot over.
Nothing's better than family with the ones who love you so. Be a shoulder to cry on when you're in need. They'll never leave you alone, no. When your friends bring you down and they drag you through the dirt, and when nobody's around, they'll carry you through the hurt. Just remember that family comes